Some advanced looks for USDCAD. This is an example, an advanced example of it, of top-down analysis and how you should look at markets in terms of at least preparing for the markets. You see the USDCAD has been going up, and all of a sudden you have these moves up and down, and now we have a big retracement. This is a weekly chart, a big retracement. So logically, we are at the bottom of this retracement, this area, and we are touching the middle of the channel, if you can see it clearly. However, it's trying to break it. So we have a zone that we have to deal with. This zone here between, I would say, between this area and all the way down to this area. Now, this is the zone where you would expect some pushback and possibly a reversal back up. Now, and for us, this is pretty straightforward because it's a reversal zone, a reversal area, etc. However, the more you accumulate in your favor of information, the better. One of the things, of course, this is a question was asked by traders. What do we do? Where to choose the reversal? First of all, I'm thinking about my stop loss. So if I'm trying to get a long-term trade, I'm looking at long-term trading, not short-term trading, not scalping, long-term trading. I'm thinking for the market, for the USDCAD to go one more up. However, looking at this pattern here, we see that the stop loss is all the way down to this area. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Good morning. So this is the stop loss area. Okay. So getting into the trade now, although logical, because it's an uptrend and we are approaching a reversal area. However, the stop loss is pretty big. Remember, this is a weekly view. It's not hourly. So that being said, let's see if we have a better level. So we have a power line that could help. Of course, once we touch the power line, that's a great help. The other thing I usually do is honoring my retracement Fibonacci numbers. This is something that, although it started as self-fulfilling prophecy, the Fibonacci numbers, but the market responds to them. A lot of machines, a lot of trading bots, algorithms are designed around these numbers. So whether you like it or not, you see reaction. So now we see a level that could work as a good reversal level. See now, and it's closer to the stop loss, so the risk is lower. Okay, so and the more factors you add into this, the more indicators you add to your view. And I'm not saying to make your chart look like a spider web, but at least couple of more assurances will help you. One of the things that we use, of course, we have the SAL indicator. So if the SAL indicator pushes lower to this area, and this area is, what is this level here? 134, 1.3490. You see it in the yellow. 134, 1.349. So 1.349 would be, if I do the same thing here, price retracement, which is the Fibonacci number. You see, almost here, same level. So we plot the same level here, and we wait. So because the stop loss has to be around this area. You cannot have a stop loss below this area, because once we get into this area, once we get in below this price, you have a continuation zone. According to the volume profile, you see it might come back down. So yes, we have a support, and it's logical to grab the trade or to think long. It's logical, but again, we have to think about the stop loss and the bottom line, right? Going down to an hourly chart for a long-term view, to grab a trade with more precision, you see all these three lines from the weekly are printed on the hourly. So you think if once we get to this area, now we're looking at the hourly, there's a chance for the market to even come back down. So once we look at a smaller chart, hourly chart, for example, we can see that, even maybe the DRLs, dynamic reversal levels, that are accumulating now here, as you see, accumulating. Let me just move this up a little bit. You see them accumulating right here. They might be shifted at that time. Again, these are dynamic. They might be shifted in this area. So that will be another indication that we might see some support or good support. Okay, and we have power lines. You can reduce the power line numbers. This is too busy maybe for you. You can reduce them. It's fine. But again, you don't allow the market to go deeper below this area. Okay, that's the idea behind smart trading.